Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the back 40. Okay, Mama Juju is going to do a fast little video today on let's review what you've been doing Wednesday. Okay, it's the first Wednesday of 2024. I hope it's been a happy hump day. Okay, what I'm going to do is back this camera up a little bit and show you what I did. I did some relaxing, going through some scraps, you know, because I'm organizing this craft room, going through stuff. So I went through all the little scrappy do's, made me some little scrappy do's, and I played a little game inspired by Dear Julie Julie. Dear Julie Julie's January Junk Journal Challenge. In one part of it, you can take two containers, two bowls, whatever, and you put your bases in one and what elements you're going to make in the other one, and then you draw, and what you draw is how you do it. So what I did was I took all my scraps and put them on my desk, and to whittle them down, trust me, there's a whole mountain full of desks. Y'all kind of seen that before. And then I just drew. I drew a base up, and then I just drew some scraps, and what I drew is what I put down. So I'm going to draw the camera back and show you and fast forward through. So here we go. Ooh, wrong way. This is what I made over here. Okay, here's some little scrappy days to make page edges. No flippy ups, anything like that. Snippets, clusters. There's guest check. I can't grab it. Just made an envelope out of that one. Made an envelope decorated out of that one. Decorated the envelope, one envelope. My hand's so tired, I can't decorate the envelope right out. That's what we did that painting. Last one. I did lots, didn't I? It was fun, fun, fun. Just fun, fun, fun. So you should try that. All right, that's it. Y'all have a good rest of the week. Bye. Love you.